G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since my previous upload, so I really appreciate everyone who has stuck around over the past couple of years. In this video, we'll be starting a new series for COLL algorithms. So I have made COLL algorithm videos in the past, but never a complete series. So I thought today would be a good starting point for that. So for those of you who don't already know, COLL is an algorithm set that not only solves OLL, but also solves the corner permutation as well. So that when you finish with OLL, you actually get one of the 4 EPLL cases. So that's either H-perm, Z-perm, or either of the U-perms. One of the prerequisites of COLL is that you have to get one of the cases where you have all of the last layer edges oriented. So in this case, if you have all of the yellow edges oriented, then it is a good opportunity to use a COLL algorithm if you are after a quicker PLL. But do keep in mind that COLL algorithms do take a bit longer to recognize, and they also tend to be longer algorithms than regular OLL algorithms. So it's essentially a longer OLL algorithm, but in return you potentially get a shorter PLL algorithm. So the recognition for COLL kind of depends on which OLL case you have. In this video, we'll be focusing on the H cases, which is actually one of the easier COLL cases to recognize because you're just looking at the 4 corner colors on the top layer here. So jumping into our first case, which is this one here, and it's the most basic case. It's where you are holding the H horizontally. So you have yellow headlights on both sides and you have matching colors horizontally. So we've got horizontal matching colors along the top and the bottom. If this is the case that you have, then you can actually use the standard HOLL case, which is essentially holding the H horizontally and doing 2 soon algorithms. And the 2 soon algorithms actually cancel each other out in the middle, so it actually turns out to be something like this. The next H case is this one here. So again, we're holding the H horizontally, so we have yellow colors or yellow headlights on the left and right side. And for this particular case, we have matching colors, matching corners along the bottom horizontal here, and then opposite corners along the top here. So for this particular case, we want to make sure that we're holding the matching corner colors closer to us, and then we can perform this particular algorithm. So it starts out with an F, going into this sequence of moves, then it's R, U2, R prime, U prime, and then a sexy followed by an F prime. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you are interested in learning algorithms. And so I just want to quickly mention that I have an app for exactly that. It's called CubeAlgo. I've mentioned it previously. It's an app that I built by myself, and it's specifically for cubers who want to learn algorithms. So it's available for a free download on the App Store. It works completely offline, and if you are interested in learning algorithms such as COLL, then they are available in this app. So when you open the app, to get to COLL, you just go to 3x3 and you go to COLL, and here are all the COLL algorithms. You can keep track of your algorithms by setting learning statuses. So for example, I've learnt a particular algorithm, and you can jump straight into the built-in practice mode as well. So if you are interested, please feel free to try out CubeAlgo. Again, as I said, it's available as a free download on iOS devices. Let me know what you think, and we'll continue on with the tutorial. The third H case for COLL is this one here. So once again, same as the previous 2, we're holding the H horizontally. So we have matching yellow headlights on the left and right side. And then we have the matching corner colors along the right-hand side for this particular case. So it's a vertical set of matching corners this time, and we want to hold it on the right-hand side. So for this particular case, we actually start out by moving the F2L pair to the back like this. So with R, U, R prime, U. And now we want to continue on with this sequence of moves, which starts with an R followed by an U, then an L, followed by a U, and then we return the right side back down and then match up the colors here, like so. So for this final H case here for COLL, again, if we're holding it horizontally, so yellow matching headlights on left and right, then we get these vertical matching corner colors on the top here. So if we do get this case, we actually want to hold the H so that it is vertical. So we've got matching headlights along the front and back. And from this angle, it's actually pretty easy. We just do an F followed by triple sexy. And then finish off with an F prime, and that solves that COLL. So that's it for the HCOLL cases, just 4 algorithms for this particular subset. Please like the video if you learned something new. Please subscribe if you want to see more of these videos in the future. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.